AJ here. Today we're going to be looking at the new app that's on Watch OS 7. It's the new Memoji app. So you get it on the watch, you can get it on your phone as you know, but this is just a little bit different. So it's sort of in a way trying to separate, I suppose, another way of separating the watch and the iPhone that Apple are trying to achieve. Now, here it is. It is there. You can zoom in. There we go. So you can go into here. That was one I did for fun, for work. But anyway, so here's me with my little AirPod Pros. And there's me with a mask and AirPod Pros and a cap. So it's quite easy. So it's a bit like on the phone, but on the watch. So you start with a bald-headed person, and you can do all these different things, which is similar, but to me it's actually a little bit easier, perhaps, than the watch. So we could do this. We could then go some freckles, cheeks. See, when you add certain things, some other bits might come up in the corner here. So go for a really weird looking one. And the beauty spot. So we go back out. We then go hairstyle. So what should we give? So we look for a bit shorter hair. Slowly but surely we are getting there. So there's so many different types now that you can have as hair, which is pretty cool. So we go for this one. So we go for this one, and then we come along, we got colour, so we can go like this. Highlights. So you can only really see the highlights if you've got a lighter colour hair, I suppose, and style. I don't know what that means. There you go, it's quite leery. And we go to the brows, the eyebrows. Let's get some nice big uns. This is not me, by the way, this is just something I'm making up for you guys. Right, colour, let's go for a weird colour. Go for blue, forehead mark. Oh, don't need that. Brow piercing. Let's see if we can get in. Yeah, I do. Oh no, hold on. Let's go right in between the eyes. There we go. And then where we got eyes, so we can make some real frowny looking. Now we've got some other options, haven't we? Colour wise. Blue with blue. Eyelashes. Let's go for some whoppers. Eyeliner. Eyeliner colour. So let's go for yellow. And then eyeshadow. Not many colours there, is there really? And then we got eyeshadow colour. Oh, there we go. Let's go for a green. Oh, purple. Oh, look at that. It looks like a human firework, doesn't it? And then the head, age, making it really old. And shape. Let's go for big chin. Right, what else we got? We've got nose. We've only got 3 options there. Then we got piercings. And we have 2 of those. That'll do. Oh, what else we got? Come up. Nose piercing colour. So we go for green. Oh, should we go for pink? But we haven't got anything with pink on really as such. Then we got mouth. There we go, some lips there. There we go. Red lips. What should we do for one? Bit of like a browny tan. Teeth. Let's have a gold tooth in there. A bit different. Mouth piercing. Let's have 2 of those. Piercing colour. It's looking more and more like a Christmas tree. Tongue piercing. There we go. Tongue piercing colour. Go for a red. Right, then we go to ears. So we've got small, medium or large. Well, it's just shape really, isn't it? Earrings. Go for that. Oh, what's this option here? Matching pair. Ooh. There we go. So that's done. That looks like a mistake there, doesn't it? Left and left, it says. Oh. Right, audio. So that's always important. Now, what's it going to do? Match. So you want 2 of these. So it's not giving you AirPod Pros. It's a bit naughty, isn't it? It's only giving you a hearing aid or AirPod Pros. Well, AirPod Pros look better. Oh, now we've got the right ear. Oh, okay, that's good. AirPod Pros, yeah, I do. Blah, blah. Right, so we've got that. We've got facial hair. So sideburns, there's some big ones. Some big whoppers. Moustache. Yep. Moustache beard colour. So we go for yellow. Highlights. Bit of red. It's like he's gone down on someone. And a bit of weirdness there. So that'll do. Eyewear. Well, what should we go for? Something a bit thin. Oh, blow it. Let's just do like an eye patch or something. There we go, a monocle. There we go, that'll do. Half glass. Eyewear colour. So we go for that, that's fine. Lens colour, oh, blimey. Red, he's a funky chicken. An eye patch. It's going to really mix things up, isn't it? Let's do an eye patch. An eye patch colour. Should we go for blue? That'll do, won't it? And headgear. Alright, so let's see what we got. We need something quite small, really, because we don't want to waste all our hard work. They've got loads on here. They keep adding more and more, it seems. It's a bit of a jester, isn't he? So, oh, no, hold on, go back. So, should we keep that the same one? Or shall we change it? Yeah, that looks funky, doesn't it? Face covering. No, we'll leave it blank because that covers everything up, doesn't it? And there we go. So, so there we go. So that's our jester looking weird man. But if you go into, say, this one, you can then change it. So this is like for editing. So you can create a watch face or you can duplicate. So if we go to watch faces, this one's pretty cool. I do like these ones. Right, so these are from Watch Buddy Watch rather, which is a very cool app, which I will put a link in the description down below. Right, let's have a look. So, I've got one here somewhere. There you go. So you've got all these. So when you cover it over, and another one should appear. See, different ones. Let's see. Cover it again. Up, and then you've got a different one. Is it going to disappear? Probably not. Oh yeah. There you go. So that's another watch face that you can have with Watch OS 7. Which is pretty cool. There we go. You can get them with all three on there as well. This is a new watch one, OS 7 as well. Hermes. Where's the other one? That's another one. That's another one. That's another one. That's art. It's a bit boring, really. You've got Nike. You've got this one as well, where you can have different time zones with your time zone. So I've got it always with Cupertino, where they have the Apple conference. You press OK. So that also gives me the time, what time it is over there. Which is pretty good. You've got another one here. New one. So as you know, you can edit. You can send your different ones to people, to your friends. So this one changes like that. And you've got different styles. So if we change that, what does that bring out? Oh, it's just different writing, isn't it? Symbols. So you've got your different like Arabic, Roman, Devanagari, Arabic, Indic. And you've got your different colours. And you've got your complications, but there's not many on that one for something well, because it's a basic type, basic style. Let's go back to normal, because that would be really hard to read, I think. Oh dear. Well, I've messed that one up now. Oh no, getting to Roman. That'll do. Yeah, so you can send it to a friend if you wanted to. Write a message and send. So you got that feature. It's quite nice, isn't it? Lightly push. There's that one. So you've got the different faces. You've got the Chronograph Pro, which is the same as last time, Nike Hybrid. So there you go. So you've got a few different ones. That one's a bit bigger now. So you can have different things on there. Your usual delete, or you can cancel that. Then you can zoom through pretty quick as well. So there you go. So that was a quick video of some of the bits of Watch OS 7 2020. And some of these faces, I said before, is from Buddy Watch. So I'll put a link in down the bottom, and hope you enjoy some of those. You can add a bit more to them or not. It's up to you, but that's pretty cool, isn't it? But there we go. So rate, subscribe, follow me if you can, please, as well. Spread the word, spread my videos, share them, and I will see you all soon. Ta-da, thanks very much. Peace.